If you are still relying on one source of income, you're basically playing the game, on hard mode without even realizing it. And I always say the people who win, they are not the hardest workers. They are the ones with the right skills. And the truth is that most of us are not chasing luxury. We're just trying to survive. We're trying to support our families and build a life that actually makes sense. And our income, which doesn't rise as much as our expenses are rising, can only stretch so far. When I started my career almost 19 years ago, the formula was work hard, get promoted, earn more, and then life gets easier. Things have changed 100%. The only thing that guarantees high income now is high income skills, not just working hard. And I have seen people without all those qualifications we used to get crazy about back then, earn double, triple, sometimes even 10 times more than the regular worker. And this is because they have mastered the skills the market pays for, not just the skills they need for their job. And today I will share with you 3 skills that create the biggest jump in your income. And the good news is that these skills can be transplanted across industries. It doesn't just work in your industry. The first one is digital skills, digital leverage. That's the combination of AI and tech skills that can multiply your outputs. You don't need to be a tech genius or a coder. You don't need to understand the nitty-gritty of tech. You just need to understand how to use technology to work smarter. And this is the conversation I've been having with my boys lately about how much they should leverage technology. This could even be as basic as using AI to automate tasks for yourself. It could be building digital assets, digital products. It could be running online businesses or creating content. Digital skills is the new superpower. Once you learn it, your income is no longer limited by your job or your location or your degree or your background. It is limited only by your own creativity. The second one is communication skills. And no, this is not about speaking good English. It's not about speaking confidently or writing emails. It's about that communication that makes people say yes to you, yes to opportunities, yes to promotions, yes to paying you, yes to trusting you. And this would involve storytelling, persuasion, public speaking, negotiation, and personal branding. You see, many people still downplay their voice. They downplay their story. They downplay their uniqueness. They continue to think that the market is saturated. I like to say that if I am not there yet, it is not saturated, because the combination of me and what I offer and how I offer it is distinct. And it is super hard to compete with someone who refuses to give up, someone crazy enough to dare. So start telling your stories, choose a platform, teach what you know, build a personal brand, learn if you must, but refuse to wink in the dark. A lot of people are making money from just putting themselves out there, saying yes to opportunities. And this is just because they dared. The third skill is money multiplication. And by this, I mean investing and wealth building. This is the skill most people avoid because we were not taught. We were taught to save our money. Back in the days, we would have the small colo saving boxes where we just put our money. Some people still do it till today. They just save, and sometimes oversave. You cannot save your way to wealth. I explained this in a video where I talked about why I stopped saving. I'll link it here for you to see. We cannot save our way to wealth. We can only invest our way there. Multiplying your money means understanding how investing works, knowing where to put your money, building assets instead of just savings. It is about learning how to grow multiple income streams, how to use your money to buy back time. The people who are financially secure are not the ones who earn the most necessarily. They are the ones who can multiply what they earn. If you're a beginner and you don't know anything about investing, I have a video on this. I'll link it here. You should check it out. So, to start, this is what I will say. Pick one skill to master in 30 days. Ask yourself, which of these 3 skills can change my income the fastest? Number 2, learn in public. Don't be scared of putting yourself out there. Post your progress. Share what you're learning. Document your journey. This would build your confidence and it would open you up to opportunities. Number 3, join communities or groups. Your skills grow faster when you're surrounded with people who are also doing the same thing and also growing. And finally, monetize early. Don't wait to be perfect. Once you're able to give small value, charge small amount for it. And as you continue to offer value, you continue to change, increase how much you charge. We really should stop playing small. This is our year to grow, to earn more, to step fully into our potential, to build the life that we imagine. So, tell me in the comment what you would do differently. I always love to read from you. And if you're still thinking, I have a 9 to 5 job, my life is already busy as it is, then you should see my next video where I talked about how I manage my very busy life. And I'm also building my dream life one day at a time. And I'll see you in that video.